All right, so this is Thursday. I think it's April 4th. Not sure. Just got back from Virginia last night, and I decided that we're gonna go ahead and get the mower started up. We put the battery in it, and this and that, and then it didn't have, of course, didn't have any gas. And I was like, huh, I thought we had some gas. That tank was, the gauge said totally empty, and I took the cap off, and there was nothing in it. This one showed half a tank, which it still shows half a tank. We didn't put any gas in this yet, and but the tank is empty in this and that. And the switch, I realize the little switch back here to switch the tanks back and forth, I had it pointing at the left tank. I should have had it in the off position, so hopefully it didn't mess us up. And we did test the battery just by once we installed it, even though we knew we didn't have any gas. I went ahead and cranked it for like a second just so we could make sure that if we're gonna go get gas, I didn't know if we had do something with the battery while he's gone. Anyways, so it's been put away since about December 1st, probably, power washed and all that stuff. And I think there's 124 hours on it, and the oil was changed at 101, I think, if I remember right. I can check the filter here in a minute. And we're just gonna see if it's gonna start up. So, got the choke on? Okay. The battery doesn't sound great. Keep it going. Keep the choke on. It might take a minute for it to get gas in it. Alright. Not too much at a time. Keep her going. Alright, hold on a second. Go ahead and shut her off for a second. You grab this. I'm gonna, here, take that, you take it off. We'll give it a shot of this. You might have to actually get up off the mower, you think? Looks a little dirty. That looks a little dirty. Is this in though? Have you ever sprayed any of this in there before? Here, hold this in the camera, please. Keep the language good. I'm gonna pull this out. It does. Okay. Go ahead and try it without that. Let it do that for a minute. And if it starts cutting off, start adjusting it. Power of the starting fluid. The battery didn't sound like it was the greatest. Looks like he's got the choke shut all the way off. Yeah, don't go that way. Go real slow and go up through there. Yeah, why don't you get off and put it on? This is where we keep it up in this thing. We have a tarp over and all stuff. You know what? Just leave that thing off and we're gonna take it in the garage and we'll clean it as best we can. X-Mark's buried under this. Yamaha rack. This thing is aluminum and bracing or whatever is stainless and stuff. It is the Rackham, the cheaper of the versus the accelerator, but it's really light compared to the regular Rackham that everybody hates because of the weight. So This is like half the price of the accelerator, and it's light. Anyways, and we got our bagging equipment and stuff all out here. So anyways, alright, so I burned up 5 minutes just getting a mower started. I'll give you guys a little update later in the garage. Later.